We gotta make it there in 10 minutes. Gas looked like a hit.
Huh?
What? How are you gonna get down? Damn! Motherfucker. Oh shit. My shit comes up way too easy, bro.
Bro, I hit that bump in my fucking...
Yeah! Oh yeah. 1, 2. You need some saddlebags like that, brother.
I guess.
We gotta make it there in 10 minutes. You're moving.
The best thing is feeling the wind in your toes, wearing shoes and that, man.
I feel good.
I love it. This weekend. Oh, May 9th. May 9th. Oh,
Come on, baby, just a little bit, baby. Where's Brian at? He's over here. You look like you about to go to Fairbanks. Damn, that thing purrs like a kitten. I found my balance point. I found it. I could have kept it going.
What gear?
First gear. I was sitting at 11, 12,000 and I was just holding it there.
Oh, it's so nice out. I love it.
Bitch, I'm balancing. Okay, now what? Now what? You're saving me gas, thanks.
Okay, now what?
There's a long light anyway. Fuck! You like that? I'm gonna throw that shit away one day. I don't have to get gas for once.
Away from you.
Damn, yours is nice, bro. Mine has like plastic inside. I can't even see. Yo, gas looked like a hit.
Huh?
What?
Gas look like it. This bike that has a drive shaft has a lot of fucking thought put in it.
Damn, dude, BMW is on their shit. That's crazy. I didn't even notice that.
It came with a K&N filter and with Brembos.
Yeah, I see the Brembos. Look at my Brembos compared to yours. I've never seen a bike with a drive shaft on it. That's insane. I don't know why that blows my mind so much, but it's just weird to see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Warm weather. Shit,
Oh, that's dope right there. Like how the sun hits it.
shit makes me horny.
Fuck it. I've had enough. You're trying to go up there?
Never done that?
Dude, we're gonna get blasted by the wind. Nah, I'm GoProing this shit. I'm gonna sue y'all, bro. Yo, how y'all jumping these fucking jagged ass rocks?
It's lit, boys.
How are you gonna get down?
Same way we got up.
Get down right now.
Literally nothing. Look. Oh my god.
Oh.
Wait, out of the wind.
Bust your helmet.
I'm not going.